Here I've applied a bunch of loop cuts. After that, I've then used the cylinder to do a boolean difference, and that's cut a hole in the oblong rectangle, I don't know, as you see here. So let's see what happens when I try and do some further loop cuts. Then there's some restrictions being applied. So where there's been the boolean hasn't been applied, then you kind of get free reign. So that's fine. Just trying to get this to come down regularly. That's fine. Okay, just concentrating on the horizontal loop cuts then. Come down to the next one. Then what it's done is it's truncated the scope of the loop cut because there's, I don't know if it's because, but there's the boolean is kind of interfering with the cleanness of the next face that it would be going through. Similarly on this side, for that, if I can get it going the horizontal way again. Come on. Right, there it was. Same there. And I bet, so coming down it's not going to allow me to do it at all because of that boolean cylinder that's in the way. Going back this way, same principle. The next rectangle, next face that it tried to get to is not a perfect face. Similarly here, if I move to the right, it's only going to allow you to go do a loop cut through collections of perfect rectangular faces, let's say. Ditto here, but then I bet here it allows you to go the whole way. So yeah, so that's clear. There's a limit to what you can do in applying loop cuts. So I could do, say, a loop cut to that point. Let's put one there. And I can't do a loop cut there, but can I do a knife? Can I go there and then there? And we're let's go back to the select to make sure I don't do something stupid. Don't have to return. You're done. Thanks. There we go. Yeah. So and now, if I did is it Shift Alt left mouse button? It selects the whole thing. So you have to kind of manually add it in yourself. Interesting. Okay, learn something.